If you don't know, my twinsy flew out to Europe. Oy. And it was one of her biggest dreams to go see the Colosseum, fountain, and all of that. And now that she showed you guys Rome, I want to show you guys Buenos Aires. The structure here in Argentina is so beautiful. You guys see this church? This place is called La Plaza. Oi, oi, oi. You guys see the doggies? This place here is called La Plaza de Mayo. The structure here is insane. It's so pretty. You guys see the Argentina flag up there? Oi. Frogs. I'm assuming something happened here. I'm gonna look it up. And they write people's names, those who have passed away and are no longer with us. Enfermero. Yes, something happened here because a lot of them are stating that they were medics, enfermeros, nurses, doctors, etc. I came to eat. I stopped here at the bar Ecuador thinking it was Ecuadorian food. I'm just waiting for my food. It's dirty. Okay, this is what the food looks like. Look at this, guys. Only money, papa fritas. Thank you, Jesus, for this food, so I don't have any problem. Thank you. Amen. So I got this classy. Oh, it looks pretty red. Let's see. I asked for medium well. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I think it's... You guys, this is good. I've never had it this raw, but it's good. The carne was pretty good. And on my way out, I saw this mafalda little muñequita. My mom has been wanting one, so I got it for her. It was $10. $10 for this mafalda muñequita. But I love my mama. This one is called okay. This one is called Plaza de la República. You guys see that pointer? It's huge. There's a BA over there. I'm not sure what that means. A lot of pigeons. A lot of them are just going about their day here. Oh, is it a woman or is it a man? I'm not sure, but she's huge. It's amazing. I've never seen anything like this. That's so cool. I love this. Oh, wow. Okay, el presidente de estado Plun forever. This has to be the most weird way to cross the street. It's like a game. I'm assuming they have this because of the train that potentially passes here at times. I think that's why that's there. But in reality, I have no idea why that's there. Look at that bridge, the skyscrapers. This part of Argentina is really mesmerizing. The water is a little dirty, but it is a harbor. Uh-oh. The music died, but they keep going. They're so cute.
Oh, and they come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song.